In this way, you can import articles from any website with just one click. See, our first article is ready. If I open this one, wow, our article is ready with just one click. Hi viewers, vaishipon here. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a automated affiliate website. Just you have to design a website and the website will automatically make money for you. Affiliate income. Actually, I am talking about affiliate income. In this procedure, you can make any kinds of automatic affiliate website. Okay, let's start. First time you have to make a website with WordPress, and then you have to install plugins. We need basically two plugins for this auto affiliate website project. Number one is Ozone, which is already installed by me. I will show you the full settings. And number two is WP Automatic. Okay, I am installing WP Automatic. First time you have to collect the plugin and you have to click here plugins, add new plugin. I have already collected the plugin, upload plugin. You have to click here upload plugin and you will get this option, choose file. If I click here, okay, this is the plugin. I am selecting the plugin and open, install now. You have to click here. I will show you both plugin, Ozone and WP Automatic. And with this procedure, you can make any kinds of website for any kinds of affiliate product. Plugin installed. You have to activate the plugin. I am clicking here activate plugin, and now just we have to do a settings for automatic WP Automatic plugin. If I go here settings, with this plugin we can do Amazon affiliate marketing, we can do ClickBank affiliate marketing, AliExpress affiliate marketing, design articles, we can write article with design articles with just one click, and many more. Flickr, you can work with Flickr affiliate, eBay affiliate, and many more. Even if you make money with ad revenue, you can set here ad revenue code, ad code for your ad site. Okay, let's start with Amazon. Suppose this is my Amazon affiliate ID. I am showing this procedure with Amazon. You can do any others affiliate settings with this plugin. Okay, here is my Amazon affiliate ID. Just save changes. Now we can make article with just one click. Let me show you. Add new campaign. Just here you have to give a title, a campaign title. You can give here any title. Suppose I am giving here vaishipon. Okay, you have to choose here which type of website you want to make. Suppose I want to make Amazon affiliate website. I am selecting here Amazon. If you want to make eBay, Vimeo, YouTube, ClickBank, AliExpress, you have to select these options, and you have to write here keyword, your niche. Suppose I want to add fashion products. You can write here your keyword separated with comma. Okay, just I am writing here FASHION, fashion design. See, I can select many more. Suppose if I write fashionable dress, comma, and fashionable dress. In this way you have to select keyword and just you have to publish. You have to do publish and done. And if I select here 60 minutes, every 16 minutes one article will come automatically. But right now we can import articles from Amazon. Just we have to click here run campaign. In this way you can import articles from any website with just one click. See, our first article is ready. If I open this one, wow, our article is ready with just one click. When you will do promote with this website, your audience will come here and just if they click here, they will go to your Amazon affiliate link, and if they purchase this product from this link, you will get commission. Even if they purchase any other product within 24 hours, you will get the commission. Okay, this one is ready. Now we can import any product from Amazon anytime. Now if I show you Ozone settings, if I go to Amazon, suppose I want to import this product with Ozone, just we have to click here or you have to click here and done, product is here. Now if our targeted audience click here, they will go to the product with our affiliate link, and if they purchase the product from here, we will get commission. or you will get commission. Even our targeted audience purchase any other products from Amazon within 24 hours, we will get commission. I think now it's clear to you how a auto affiliate website making money for you. Even we can modify this article for search engine friendly. We can write article with AI like ChatGPT, and we can do combine both article for our website search engine optimization. If I show you, both links are okay. Let me check. Okay, I am checking both links, both affiliate links, which is collected from WP Automatic and from Uzon, both format. See, both links are okay. I have shown the procedure with Amazon affiliate, but with this plugin WP Automatic, you can make any affiliate auto website and you can make money automatically. Okay, let's import another product with WP Automatic. Done. Another product is here. If I open the product, this is the article. Basically, you have to understand WP Automatic making article for your website, automatic article, and Uzon plugin automatically importing products for your website. Now I think you understand the full procedure. I will give both plugin affiliate link in this video description. You can collect plugin with my link. If you collect plugin from my link, I will get some commission, nothing else. And if you need any kinds of affiliate auto website, and you know my YouTube channel name is Online Business 7. If you come here and if you click here, see, you will get here all the links, all the information about me. And if you click here, hire me on Upwork, this is a web design project like this one. Just you have to purchase this project and you have to give me your all information, what kinds of affiliate website you need, and within 10 days you will get your website ready. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.